Hi all, I'm Janvi. I'm a corporate soft skills trainer. Welcome to this video series of Reclaim Your Power project. In today's video, we will see how to manage our time powerfully. As per Stephen Covey's time management metrics, the tasks that we do can be divided into 4 different categories. The first category is that of the tasks which are urgent and important. So if I have an examination tomorrow, I have to study for it today. I simply cannot delay it. So this task of studying before the examination will be urgent, also important. The second category is that of tasks which are not urgent but are important. Now let us take the same example. This task of studying for the examination, when the examination dates were announced around 2 months back, was important, but at that time it was not urgent because we did not do enough preparation over the time. At the last moment it became really urgent and also important. The third category is that of tasks which are urgent but they are not important. Now what are these tasks? So I get a phone call right in between, or there are some interruptions, unplanned meetings. These are all the tasks that fall in this category. These are urgent but they are not important. The fourth category is that of tasks which are not urgent, also they are not important. So looking at WhatsApp messages for a very long time, surfing the net mindlessly, these are all such activities in the fourth category. Not urgent, also not important. So how do we manage the time? If we are always in the first category, that is urgent and important, then we will be stressed because we will always be catching up with the things that are also important and urgent, so they have to be done quickly. In order to avoid being in the first quadrant, that of urgent and important, it's important that we spend some time in the second quadrant, that is important but not urgent. So if we keep on planning and doing our tasks properly in a timely manner, the things that are important, we will not fall short of time at the last moment and we will not be in a hurry at the last moment. But many a times we say that, oh, we simply don't find time. How do we get this time? This time you will get from the fourth and the third quadrant. The fourth quadrant are the tasks that are not important and not urgent. So we have to eliminate or minimize these tasks that are not urgent and not important. The second place where you will get more time for working on the tasks that are important but not urgent are from the third quadrant, that is things that are urgent but they are not important. So if somebody asks you to send out a report quickly at the last moment and they say it's urgent, you can tell them that yes, I will do it for now, but next time on, whenever you have a deliverable, you better tell me in advance so that I can plan my work effectively and my schedule doesn't get spoiled. Or you can just simply say no. If it's a phone call or a meeting which you can avoid, you can just delegate it to somebody or say no. So this is how you can do a good management of your time. So one technique of doing this effectively is write down all the tasks of the day in a to-do list properly and check which category do they belong to from the 4 categories that we just listed down. After this, just check which are the 20% of the tasks that will contribute to the 80% of the value that you are working on. As per Pareto's principle, it is mentioned that out of all the tasks that you do, only 20% contribute to the 80% of the success of your project. So identify which are these tasks, and till these 20% of the most important tasks of the day are not completed, do not go to the rest of the 80% of the tasks. So with this, I hope you will be more in charge of your time and will be able to handle it effectively. I'm coming to the end of this video. If you have liked this, do make sure that you click on the like button and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching me. See you.